everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another workout with me. So you guys requested for the next workout with me to be a abs at home follow along workout, and so that is what I'm bringing for you guys today. Now, I wanted to chat a little bit just before I get right into the workout. Abs are something that personally I have always struggled with. Like, obviously you can see right now, like, it's especially abs are something that is so, I don't know, fabricated a lot of the time in photos, in fitness models. It's a combination of lighting, getting a pump, and a whole bunch of other things. Like 90% of people that have abs don't have abs, like 90% of the time. That's just kind of how it goes. So personally, I've always been really insecure about like my stomach and that sort of thing, just because I hold my fat a lot in my like lower belly. So abs are something that just have never come easy for me. Like, I work out abs every single workout. I don't normally isolate them. It's like if I do legs, I do abs. If I do upper body, I do abs. So I'm always kind of working on my abs. And as you guys know, I eat pretty clean as well. So for some reason, I guess it's just my genetics or whatever, but I don't get abs easily. And I know that's the same for a lot of you other girls out there. So I just wanted to throw that out there and talk about it a little bit before I get into the workout, that if you don't have abs or if you don't see abs, like, that's totally okay. I'm obviously someone who's very into fitness, and I still 90% of the time don't see abs. Like, maybe I'll see them poke out in the morning, maybe on a good day, depending on my bloat level and whatever. But like, most of the time I don't walk around with abs. I don't have abs, and even when I do, they're not like, I don't know, nice abs, you know? Like the ones that you see, I feel like a lot of the time are photoshopped or fake. So I just wanted to say that before I get into the abs workout. Now, I do personally love training abs, but I feel like it's very technical, and there's a lot of people that don't know how to train abs, and they think that just doing a sit-up or a crunch is good enough, but you really have to know how to engage the muscle. So I'm going to start with that and how to actually engage your core and engage the muscles beneath the surface, like your actual abdominals. Also, be sure to go check out the other at-home workouts that I have done in this little at-home workout with me series. I've done a booty one so far, and hopefully I'll be doing an upper body, probably shoulder, back at-home workout coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But let's just hop right into this ab workout. I know this is the one that has been the most heavily requested, so I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing that I'm going to get you guys to do, even before we start the ab workout, is to try and do a ab vacuum, because it's really important that you're engaging your core throughout the entirety of every single movement. And if you can't really do an ab vacuum, you can't really engage your core in any of the exercises. So I want you to just lay flat on your back. You can place your hands wherever. You can put your knees up, put your knees down, it doesn't really matter. But what you're gonna do is let all of the air out of your stomach, breathe in, and then engage your core. And so you wanna think about drawing your belly button into your spine, and it's really just compressing your entire stomach. So I'll do that again for you guys because it's hard to do it and talk at the same time. But you should be able to breathe normally throughout every ab exercise. So just normal stomach, all the air out, in. And hold it for as long as you can. And even that is just an effective ab workout because it gets your abs warmed up and engaged and ready to go. So now we're actually going to start this workout. Okay, so I'm going to be starting the workout with some toe taps. So you just want to lay down, feet straight up in the air, or you can do your knees however you're feeling. But what you're going to want to do, I put my elbows kind of just here out at the side, and you go one up and then the other, and you just alternate your arms. And we're doing 40 of these. 5 seconds, and then right into sitting up, and we're gonna go right into Russian twists. If you can't quite place your feet up like this, you can put them down, that's okay too, but core engaged the entire time. So I'll show you. If you're putting your feet down like this, you're just gonna tap like this, and you wanna keep your legs and your upper body stable. And we're gonna do 30. Come on, I know it burns. It hurts a lot. We're not taking very many breaks in this, but you guys got this. Okay. And then after that, right into leg kicks, crunch sort of. So you go out and in. I'm gonna do 30 of these. Okay, take a little break, and then we're going right back on the floor. So back to laying down, and now we're gonna do toe taps. So you can start by putting your hands at your elbows just in a slight crunch, and you're gonna come up just a little bit, just enough so you can engage your core here, squeeze tight. Now release your, what you're gonna do is tap your ankles. If you can go farther than that, that's okay too. And you're doing this for 30. Next, we're gonna get up off the mat and we're gonna go right into bird dogs. So you might need to turn around in your space a little bit if you're in a small space, but it's opposite arm to knee. And you're gonna do 15 on both sides, 15 on each side. And use your core to keep you stable. This should be fairly hard, and you wanna go slow. Okay, switch sides. Now we're gonna go right into plank twists. So get into your plank position, nice and flat, and then you're just gonna twist and tap either side. I'm gonna do this for 20. Okay, and then hold into a plank. Whew. So now we're going back down on the mat and we're gonna go into scissor kicks or single leg leg lifts, whatever you would like to call them. So you just place your hands at the side, legs straight up, and it's one leg down and then the other. And you don't need to go all the way down. Most people cannot actually go all the way down while keeping their core engaged all the way, keeping their core engaged the entire time. So about halfway is typically good for most people. And we're gonna do 30 of these. So next we're gonna do oblique crunches. So you're gonna lay on your side. Well, you're gonna twist into this sort of formation and you're crunching with this part right here. It's not a big movement, it's more so about the engagement of your oblique. You're gonna do 15 per side. And then switch. With abs, the key is definitely variation, but now we're gonna do our last exercise, and you're gonna come up into this tabletop position, engage your core, and there's two ways to do this. If you can't do it the harder way, the easier way is just to tap here, and you're keeping, your body is not moving. The harder way is to tap and bring your toe up, but you still are trying to keep your core is keeping your body straight and stabilized. I move a lot during that one, so I'm just gonna do this one today. I do not have a lot of space in here. I'm gonna do 30 of these. And you don't want to let your hips drop. I'm done. Well, that is it for this ab workout. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope your abs are on fire, and I hope you go check out the other workout videos in this at-home workout series, this Get Fit during quarantine with me. But I really hope, I hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I love you so much. Bye.